When it comes to buying produce each week, how much is enough without being too much? And how will I pay for this? Let's tackle fruit first. Consider that each person in your household needs at least 2 servings of whole fruit a day. Now you can add in a serving of juice each day to help you get to 3 servings or more, but for the very nutritious and important fiber, it's recommended that you have no less than 2 servings of whole fruit first. So, let's get started, shall we? At least 2 servings times 7 days means at least 14 servings of whole fruit per person per week. Here's 3 apples, 3 pears, 3 bananas, 3 oranges, and this is equaling 12 servings. Add in either some canned in its own juice fruit or frozen kind of fruit for later, for your last cup or so, your last 2 servings later in the week. And remember, this is the minimum for just one person, and more is even better. In fact, as you start upping your servings to 4 servings fruits a day, this amount will eventually become half a week's worth of fruit for one person. Now for the veggies. Consider that each person in your house needs at least 3 servings of vegetables every day. That means 3 times 7 equals 21 servings per person each week. This head of broccoli right here, this equals about 4 servings. This bag of baby carrots says right on the back that it's 4 servings. This container of greens is 3 servings. So we're up to 11 plus 3 tomatoes, that makes 14 servings. And these can all go towards snacks or mealtime either way. Add in the evening some very convenient frozen vegetables and or canned vegetables, either way, for your last 7 servings, getting you up to 21. So, looks pretty good, doesn't it? Now for shopping purposes, if there's 2 people in your family, then double both the fruit and the vegetables. And triple if there are 3 people, and so on. Now if you're wondering, where in the world am I going to get the money to buy all this produce? Especially if you have 3 or 4 people in your family. Well, I have the answer. And you know that aisle that you used to refer to as the snack aisle? You know, the chips, crackers, and cookies aisle? Simply transfer the money that you used to spend there to your new snack aisle. Now your produce budget is up there where it needs to be. That's right, eating healthy doesn't have to cost more.